too late.
I am not lying.
You
my
hey,
yam,
bring back my yam. Listen to me. Everywhere you're teasing and going now with what do I know? I'm in the salon here now. I'm off. I'm saying I see I'm close. I'm not hope I say the boy and I am the boy and the ino so many the boy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and as you all can see, I'm with my 3 best friends at school. So you all know Livy? Come to your face.
We're 3 best friends in there.
Yes! Well, you would say the 3 besties, and we are She Nation, and we have a strong She mentality. We having the brand coming out for that one. You'll see our shirts with She mentality also. Whenever that's out, you know, I'll keep you all posted about that. But on the other hand, we're here to do the accent challenge, and I hope this thing is gonna be very funny because we are 3 mad people. First challenge we're going to do, the first accent we're going to try is Chinese. So, ching chong chong chong. Oh yeah. Miss Chen.
Wayang Ganesha Majua.
What about I say, what language is that? So that was the Chinese one. I'm not good at that one. Now we're gonna do the innit, you know, the British. So innit, then I told you about the girl of the road, innit?
Oh no.
You play too much, innit?
Oh my gosh.
Yes.
Oh dear. A cup of tea.
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 You want me to go get the cup holder?
No, where's your maid?
Anyways, hello. So my name is Nicole, okay? So, you know, I'm from England. And, you know, I'm in Jamaica. I'm in Jamaica and it's so hot in Jamaica. You know,
And it's a cup of tea.
Oh my god,
I don't want a cup of tea.
It's a cup of tea.
What do you do with a cup of tea?
Cup of tea.
I
Want
don't
some
want
tea?
I don't want a cup of tea.
You play too much.
I want to go to the beach.
Hi, mate.
Look here.
I want to go to the beach.
It's Kermit and a cup of tea. Take a cup of tea.
I want to go to the beach. I'm hot.
No,
You're hot.
I'm hot.
Put away the pinky. Okay. So
The
that's
pinky's out.
so that was the England challenge, the British. So Canadian. How would Maya talk? Effer. You effer. Hey fam. What's up fam?
What's up, bro?
Bro. Hey. Hey. Oh. We don't know about the Canadian.
Yeah, we're not so good at that.
No. African. Run it.
Oh my god.
Hey.
You thief my yam, oh. Hey. You thief my yam.
Hey.
You thief
Hey.
my
Hey.
yam, oh.
You too lie. You too lie.
I am not lying.
You
Thief my yam.
She is lying, ho.
What
She
is this
Thief
girl
my
doing
yam.
here?
She came over my yard.
What is this girl
and she
doing
thief
here?
my yam, people. She thief my yam. Bring back
What
my
is
yam.
this girl doing
Look
here?
here.
Bring back my yam,
Hey.
Bring back my yam. I am
Listen
warning
to me.
you.
Hey. I told you. Hey. I told you. Huh? Listen to me. Hey.
What are you doing?
I'm speaking in African. Ho.
You think you're speaking in
You sound
Africa?
like you're preaching. Are you preaching? You sound like you're preaching.
Listen.
Are you a pastor?
I'm
That is not African, no.
Oh.
Yeah, she preaching in the gospel.
You preaching?
Yeah.
You need practice, though.
Yes, she does.
Yeah.
She needs to go to the Black Panther movie. She needs the practice. She needs to go and watch the movie. Eh?
Hey. Listen.
She's not catching it. But you didn't do no African.
Yeah.
Of course I did the African, no.
Hey. Ho.
What are you saying to me?
I didn't say
I don't know African.
I didn't say that. I don't say.
That is what you are saying, no?
I didn't say.
You are a bad girl.
I am not a bad girl. I am a good girl.
You are a good girl.
I am from the Igbo tribe. I am a good girl.
I am from the Ashanti tribe. What are you trying to say?
Alright. Yes, guys. So my friends are booming this challenge. So we're gonna do the Jamaican grammar. Me tell you say no, girl. I tell you, me say you, fi tell your man say no. If it's active, but me piece of yap me no. Hey, Lord God, me tell you no, girl. Hey, what me tell you about me gongo piece? Mark. You just have one and I go. Mark, tap your eyes, boy. Listen to me, man. Me can't bother with them, you know. Every time they come on this channel, you're so loud. Quarreling, you're not talking on road. I don't want to hear no. Everywhere you're a teasing man, go in now. I don't want to listen, man. Listen, I don't want no business, man. I don't want no business on no. Look here, Rose, listen. Miss here, man up a market. What do I know? I mean, Rose say, look here now. I'm off George breadfruit and banana and teeth in a road. Well, me never see my teeth, so me can't say nothing. Hey, because, never see my teeth. But Rose, after you are only flashlight at the night, Rose. Me got my bed for 7 o'clock, 7 o'clock, me got to me bed. Me coulda want no flashlight, I must see somebody little girl them down in road, you see. I know me, for me got my bed hurdy.
Rose. No, you miss it down a mass draw party one night.
I need more. Me see you toy. I see I'm close.
Me say, I know.
Oh, Papa, jam
Me know we
party.
see them clothes. Me change me clothes every day. Me know we see them clothes.
Rose, you're too lying because your grandson tell me how you're proud.
Me say the boy a liar, he know smell me. The boy didn't even shake me hand, so how he must smell me? He boy too lie, man. Make him go on up on my yard.
Rose. What?
I mean, the laugh is going on.
That was the Jamaican grammar. So we're going to try the Jamaican taximan. One already.
One not ready.
Kelly,
Watch your side. Don't be a side.
Be mother.
Be a ready. Give me a bag.
Leg a woman.
Yes, you're my boss.
Give me a bag.
Lady,
Brown.
yo, up a Kelly. Two already. Yo, every time they come a judge man customer now, nobody in the van.
Yo, let me pass it
Everybody's
down.
apprentice that just come for the road.
Yo,
Your apprentice,
Yo, man.
one already.
You ready?
Watch it.
Ready, man. Come on, friend, man.
Jump
Not because I want
one
money.
on the back, two on the back from the solid. Two on the back. Sit over. Where the grassy there? Drop down the grassy. Go on there, so mommy. All right, mommy. Go over, mommy. All right. Sit down there, so for me.
Uptown Jamaican uptown people. Listen to me. Every time I go down a town, these people step on my foot. But look here, I don't want you all to step on my foot. You know how much I pay for my pedicure?
Girl,
What is wrong with
you know
this
that
girl?
little boutique? Oh my
do the
God.
hair, you know, they do the hair.
Get my nails
the hair, man.
Look here, I told you, guys, just make sure to subscribe to my channel. Yeah. Alright, Jamaican downtown. Yo, more from what time we're not yo.
I said the dirty girl, Samantha, she.
What about her?
Low Samantha alone.
yeah.
Because what they she got them a town. Young her conscience, she care back 3 piece of yam. And she not left me out. She care back the piece of
She
yam.
the girl by your little panty, a bend down and care look young country.
But she's my friend.
But
She's my friend. I'm not going to come and deal with my friend.
Anyways,
Yo, Keisha, you're too light. You know you're too light. No, Keisha, you're too light. Mama tell her, you're too light, Keisha, because the girl buy the bleaching cream. And she can't do it. Look here,
you know, say the black.
Keisha, look here, Pop. And you know
about the cream.
the one Keisha teeth. Yeah, man.
Keisha, sharing is caring.
I go boy, tell Camilla upon you.
Anyways, we are going later. Calipuman get some money, run some money, yeah.
Who must start? Which one?
Peter, John, and Paul.
Alright, I'm gonna call all them. Alright. I wing, we are winging.
So that's Jamaican downtown. So we have Jamaican, the last one, Jamaican market. Yo, seal up on the cabbage.
Over yasso. We have the yam from Chilani. We have the yam from Clarendon. We have the yam we grow now we backyard. Over yasso.
$50 bag.
Yo,
Seal up on pies, roach pies, any kind of pies, roach pies. Worm out for your goat. Come. $50 a pound.
Seal up on the Aki. Anybody wants 2 pound of Aki, give $30, get 2 pound of Aki. Take up the bread
If you're not buying that, Miss, come here.
Come here,
lady.
everything
Pretty
is
lady, come here,
everything.
pretty lady.
Big up and look.
Nice lady, come here now. You don't want to buy. Come here, nice lady.
We have the underwear them. $100 get 3 underwear.
Check for your man underwear there.
Yeah. Whoa.
Come by it.
Anyways, guys, that's the end of our accent. That's the end of our accent challenge. I think that was really good because we are doing it. I'm with you, I did. I'm pretty much sure that when we watch it back over, we are going dead. Yeah. So, anyways, guys, don't forget to what? Subscribe to my channel. Give my channel a thumbs up, and also if you have not subscribed at the beginning, you don't have to wait to the end to subscribe. On this video, to your right on the low, you see a little subscribe thing, say subscribe now. Just click on that and that will give you the option to subscribe to my channel, or at the ending of this video you can just go and click that circle with my face where you're going to click on it. You see subscribe, and also you're going to see the part where you can watch one of my previous videos. So guys, we love you.